Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send live chat leads to Salesforce. All right. So you actually have two ways to connect these two. Okay. So first option is by manually creating leads during a chat from here under your live chat account, or by using an integration platform or tool for automation or automated syncing. Okay. Just like by using Zoho, Zapier, or even a sales panel. Okay. Now, if you want me to create that specific video, connecting it to Zapier or any other automation tools, just do let me know in the comments below. I'll certainly do that video for you. All right. So for this example, I'm just going to be showing you the simplest method. All right. So first up, make sure in the same browser, you have your live chat account and Salesforce account logged in. And go back to live chat in here, go to the chat section in the left panel, click on it. Now go to the top right, click on the plus sign. Okay. Now go ahead and find Salesforce right here. Just click on it. Now go ahead and click on get. Wait for it to load. It says here application installed successfully. And in the left panel, you now have Salesforce. Okay. As you can see here, it doesn't ask us to log in anymore. Now you can just click on go to chats, and in here, click on Salesforce. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, all you need to do is just click on connect, or you can connect to your Sandbox account. Now I'm going to scroll down and click on allow. This is just for verification process. And as you can see here, Salesforce connected properly. All right. And you can close this one. You can click on the gear icon right here to change the account settings or lead fields visibility, contacts fields visibility, and chat transcript settings. Okay. Okay. While on a chat, again, just click on Salesforce right here, go to this section and just select the option, add new lead. Okay. There you have it. That is how you send live chat leads to Salesforce. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.